Unlocking trust. Have faith in me, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's rich in emotion and trust. Have faith in me. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but also about the feelings and situations where it's used. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it a powerful expression in the English language. Have faith in me is a request or plea for someone to trust in the speaker's abilities, intentions, or promises. It's about asking for confidence from someone else in one's character or actions. This phrase is deeply emotional, often used in moments of doubt or when one needs to assure someone else of their reliability or commitment. To fully grasp this phrase, let's break down its key components. Faith. More than just belief, faith is trust that is not based on proof. It's an unwavering support or confidence in someone or something. Have. In this context, have is used to express a desire for the other person to possess this faith or trust. In me, this specifies the direction of the faith, making it personal. It's not just any faith, it's faith directed towards the speaker. This phrase can be used in various situations, from personal relationships to professional contexts. Here are a few scenarios where it might be appropriate. During a challenge, when facing a difficult task, and you want to reassure someone that you can handle it. In a relationship, to assure your partner of your commitment and fidelity. When seeking support, convincing someone to support a project or idea you believe in. It's important to use this phrase sincerely, as it involves asking for someone's trust. Have faith in me carries weight because it involves emotional vulnerability. It's both a plea and a promise, reflecting a deep desire to be trusted. The phrase can strengthen bonds, but it also comes with the responsibility to uphold the trust that someone places in you. Have faith in me is a powerful expression that goes beyond simple words to evoke trust, hope, and belief in one's abilities or intentions. Whether in personal relationships or professional endeavors, using this phrase signifies a deep level of commitment and confidence. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and beauty of this phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about communicating emotions and building connections. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.